Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today I'll show you how to navigate the resources section inside LabelForge PRO. We'll head over to the home page where you'll click on the resources tab. You'll see a range of options from supplies to the current LabelForge PRO software, our three flagship printers including the Toro Max, Bronco Max, and Kodiak Max, our original Kodiak printer, and our how-to videos. Within these categories you can simply click on them and it'll direct you to the website where you can stock back up on current supplies or sort by application. On the LabelForge Pro section, you can click on this for software support, support content including videos and articles, release notes, or simply contact our free lifetime support. If you need additional help beyond what's listed in the support content area, please visit our DuraLabel knowledge base, where you'll find more in-depth information and step-by-step tutorial videos for the content you're looking for. Clicking on any of the printers, you can find guides and downloads for drivers or explore our knowledge base that will give you more info on those printers and the capabilities that you have with them. And we have how-to videos where you'll be directed to our resource section on our website where it's categorized by how-to, product, and you can also sort by industry for whatever you're looking for. And that is how you navigate the resource section. This is a good place to find everything you need to learn about our products or learn about the software and even stock back up on supplies. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.